Welcome to C2W Inventory. In this guide, we'll show you how to quickly set up C2W for your team and get your inventory management system up and running. First, let's personalize C2W for your company. This step is essential to align the system with your business identity. Navigate to the Settings tab. Click on Company Profile. Click Browse to upload your company's logo. Enter your company name, address, and other contact details. If you plan to purchase and print shipping labels directly from C2W, simply sign up for a free EasyPost account. Obtain your EasyPost API key and enter it in the designated field. This integration allows you to access real-time shipping rates from all carriers supported by EasyPost. You can skip this step or return later to complete it. Under Subscription Details, you can view your current plan and usage during the 14-day free trial. This section includes plan level and expiration date, number of users, locations, and sales orders per month consumed. The subscription details refresh every 6 hours upon login. Use the Refresh Subscription Details button for manual syncing. Click Save to confirm these changes. Now, let's set up your system data. Go to the Inventory tab to set up your locations, brands, and categories. You can add locations one by one or copy and paste them in batches from an Excel or text file by clicking on Batch Import. The same method applies to adding brands and categories. In the Settings tab, you can manage your payment methods, payment terms, taxing schemas, and shipping methods. Just like adding locations, brands, and categories, you can add, batch import, delete, and export in an easy and straightforward manner. Finally, let's import your business data, including customers, vendors, items, initial inventory, and open sales orders. Select Settings, then Import Data. Choose the data type and click Download Template to get a predefined Excel template. Fill in the required data in the Excel template. Click Browse to upload the filled Excel file. The data will appear in the Loaded Data tab. Click Import. The system will validate the data. If errors are found, they will be displayed in the Error tab. Errors can be fixed directly in the Loaded Data tab or in the Excel file. After corrections, click Import again or re-upload the file. And that's it. You're all set with C2W Inventory. Dive in and unlock its full potential for your business. Stay tuned and subscribe. More feature highlights and tips are on the way to help you grow with C2W.